Good morning, children. Today I will teach GK. In GK, I will teach lesson number 33, that is, keeping our earth clean. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Children, as we all know, we live on earth, and it is the most beautiful planet, isn't it? It is our home. So children, we must look after it and keep it clean. Okay? So how can you keep the earth clean? There are 3 ways to do this. And what are those 3 ways? They are reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay? These are the 3 R's which can be used to keep your earth clean. Now, let us start with the first one. What is it? Reduce. What do you mean by reduce? It means use less things. Children, we must use less things. Okay? We must use as much as required and do not take extra things and waste them. Okay? Then second one is reuse. What does it mean? It means use again and again. Okay? It means use a thing again after it has been used. Then the third one is recycle. What do you mean by recycle? It means to change waste things into new things. Okay? Like children, if you have a plastic bottle at home, you can modify it into a pen stand. Okay? Instead of throwing the plastic bottle into the dustbin, you can use it for keeping your pens. Okay? So this way your bottle will be recycled. Understood? Now children, look here. Look at the pictures given below and tick those that we should do to keep our earth clean and beautiful, and cross those that spoil it and make it dirty. So let's start with the first one. Putting plastic wrappers and tin boxes in the blue dustbin. So children, what should you do? Should you put plastic wrappers and tin boxes in the blue dustbin? Yes, you should put them in the blue dustbin. Okay, and do not throw it here and there and make the earth dirty. Okay, so let us put a tick over here. Now let's see the second one. Using disposable utensils instead of reusable utensils. Children, what are disposable utensils? They are the utensils which you throw them away after using them once. Okay? And what are reusable utensils? The utensils which can be used after you have used them once. Okay? We can use them again and again. So, what we should do, children? We should use the reusable utensils. So, we are going to put a cross over here. Now, let's see the third one. Putting peels of fruits and vegetables in the green dustbin. Children, the green dustbin is for the wet garbage. Okay, so you should throw the wet garbage like peels of fruits and vegetables in the green dustbin. Like we have blue dustbin for the dry waste, okay? So we throw the dry garbage in the blue dustbin. So here we are going to put a tick. Next, using empty jars of pickles, jam, etc. to store different things. Children, this way you can use empty jars of pickles, jams, etc. to store different things, okay? You can reuse them, okay? So put a tick here. Next, using cloth bags instead of polythene bags. Children, if you use polythene bags, you will throw them after using them, isn't it? But if you use cloth bags, you can wash it, isn't it? After using it. So, we are going to put a tick here. Next, using old newspaper to cover your books and files. So, this way you can reuse the old paper, okay, to cover your books and files. So, let's put a tick here. Now, let's come to number 7. Donating old clothes and furniture to the needy people. Children, what you should do, if you have old clothes and furniture at home, you should not throw them away, okay? Instead, you can give them to the needy people. Okay, so let's put a tick here. Next, number 8. Taking more food than you can eat. If you take more food, what will happen, children? You are going to waste, isn't it? So, you should take only that quantity which you can eat and finish. Okay, so let's put a cross here. You should not take more food than you can eat. Next, number 9. Buying a new school bag every year. Children, do not waste your parents' money by buying new school bags every year. Okay? You can use your old bag also. If you have, then you can wash them and reuse them instead of buying a new bag every year. So, let's put a cross here. Number 10. Making your own recycled paper in school or at home. Children, you know that paper can be recycled. Okay? Over here, can you see? These children are recycling the paper in school. And you can also do it at home. So, we are going to put a tick here. Next, number 11. Giving newspaper, glass, metal and plastic items to junk dealers. What you should do, children? If you have old newspapers, glass, metal or plastic items at home, you can give them to junk dealers, okay? They know how to reuse them and they can recycle them also. So, you should give them to junk dealers. So, let's put a tick here. Now, let's do quiz time. Tick the correct answers. Number 1. Where will you throw peels of fruits and vegetables? A. Green dustbin. B. Blue dustbin. C. Red dustbin. Where will you throw, children? I told you, no, that we put the wet garbage in the green dustbin. Okay, so let's put a tick mark in front of option A, that is green dustbin. Next, what will you do with your old notebooks? A. Give them to a needy child. B. Give them to a junk dealer. C. Any of these. Children, you can give them to a needy child and you can also give them to a junk dealer. Okay, so answer will be option C, any of these. Let's put a tick. Next, number 3, your favorite dress does not fit you. What will you do? A. Give it to a needy person. B. Throw it in the dustbin. C. Keep it in the almirah. What are you going to do, children? If your dress does not fit you, are you going to throw it away in the dustbin? No. Are you going to keep it in the almirah? No, children. You should give it to a needy person. Okay, let's put a tick here. Children, you know that plastic stays in the soil for a very long time. And what it does? It spoils the soil. Okay? So children, we should avoid using the plastic material. Okay? So here we end the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.